Hi, myself Manikant. Today my topic is scale up and scale out for graph processing. Scale up and scale out graph. Modern applications are constantly changing, evolving with new requirements, and exist in an environment with varying demands on resources. Scaling an application can approximately size it to resource demands to ensure happy customers and reduce infrastructure costs. If you don't know how to scale efficiently, you are not just doing a disservice to your applications. You are putting unnecessary stress on your operation teams. Scaling up for 2 or 3 CPUs. Scaling out for 2 to 3 CPUs. Scale up versus scale out. A DMLM for cloud application users. Scale up or scale out. Scale up one machine with high hardware configuration. Scale out cluster composed by VP machine. Scale up versus scale out. Systems are designed in a scaling out way. Question: is scale out always better than scale up? Scale up versus scale out for Hadoop. Time to rethink. A single scale up server can process each of these jobs and do as well or better than a cluster in terms of performance, cost, power, and server density. Contribution. Set up pricing models using public cloud pricing scheme. Linear square fit of CPU, memory, and storage. Estimation for arbitrary configuration. Provide development guidance for user with dollar budget. Caps or minimum throughput requirement in homogeneous environment. Apache Cassandra, the most popular open source distributed key value store. GraphLab, a popular open source distributed graph processing system. Scale up versus scale out storage. Cassandra matrix. Throughput OPS per second. Cost dollar per hour. Normalized metric. Cost efficiency equals to throughput by cost. Homogeneous Cassandra. Cost efficiency. Main variable turned. Workload intensity. Scale out cluster size. Number of machines. Thank you.